Ever wondered what happens when you take former Love Island contestants, add a dash of unresolved drama, and throw them back into the villa? Uh, get ready because the All Stars lineup is here and it's shaping up to be explosive. This isn't just a second chance at love, it's a collision course of past relationships, uh, you know, fresh starts, and potentially a whole lot of drama. Millie Court, the 2021 champion, is returning after a recent split from Liam Reardon. Um, their on again, off again romance captivated viewers, but it seems their story isn't over just yet. Could a reunion be on the cards, or will Millie finally find a lasting connection elsewhere? Um, Joining her is fellow winner Jess Harding, whose um, whirlwind romance with Sammy Root fizzled out shortly after their victory, who uh, and prepare for fireworks as Whitney Adebayo enters the villa, still reeling from a controversial split with Lokan Nowak. Uh, Accusations flew, and then the fallout was intense. Will Whitney finally share her side of the story? But it's not just about past romances. Ronan Keating's son, Jack, is back for another shot at love, this time as a father. Um, uh, uh, 17. He's hoping to prove he can balance parenthood with finding a partner. The lineup also includes a mix of familiar faces like Helena Ford, who deserves a second chance, and Sean Stone, hoping to rewrite his Love Island story. There's also a fresh wave of Islanders eager to make their mark. Um, you know, from Shaq Muhammad, hoping to find lasting love after his 2023 journey, to Leanna Manning and Tyrion Davies, everyone's bringing their baggage and hoping for a fresh start. And with a diverse cast and a history of unresolved issues, this season promises to be the most dramatic, yet will old flames reignite, or will new connections blossom? Speaking of drama, remember that Love Island is basically a holiday romance simulator. It's like you go on vacation, meet someone, um, fall madly in love, and then realize you have nothing in common when you get back to reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.